Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter on Audi A6 C6 4F 3 liters TDI. The procedure is similar for other Audis with this 3 liters TDI engine. First we'll start by removing the engine cover. Next we're going to open the oil filler cap. The oil filler cap is located right there. We're just going to open it and leave it there in place. That's the oil filter right there. And we're going to remove the oil filter. It's size 32 socket. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to remove the oil filter. We'll get a cloth so that we don't spill much oil from the oil filter. Next we'll go underneath the car and drain the oil. This is the oil drain plug. We're going to loosen this drain plug and remove it, and the oil will drain. Now that the oil has drained, I'm going to put the oil drain plug back on and tighten it. Next, I'm going to replace the oil filter. First, I'm going to compare the old oil filter with the new one to see if they're the same. And now I'm going to remove the old oil filter and replace it with the new one along with the O-ring. Now that the oil filter is replaced, I'm going to put it in its place and tighten it. Next, I'll show you the service manual for the oil capacity and oil classification of the car. The oil capacity is 8.2 liters and the engine oil weight is 5W30, classification is VW507. The tightening torque of the drain plug is 30 Newton meters. Next, I'm going to fill 8.2 liters of oil into the engine. Now that I filled 8.2 liters into the engine, I'm going to take out the oil dipstick, which is right there, and I'm going to check the level. Before checking the level on the car, first you need to start the car so that the oil filter gets filled with oil, and then you can check the level on the oil dipstick. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.